What up? It's your boy Soup.TV. This is Bird's Nest Sauce Twinz. I'm gonna say Sauce Walka has been a 50-50 lookout for me. Like, I'm kind of looking for him, but other than that, I'm not. And I don't mean that disrespectfully. I mean that as in, he be saying some shit. Every now and then I get on a trip down the Spotify rabbit hole, and Sauce Walka be saying some shit. He get a good beat, and he be on that shit. He might beat somebody up, and it be all over Twitter, etc., etc. But other times he be spitting his gospel on a beat that's just too slow. That's kind of the feel I be getting, and I don't be liking that shit. So that's honest to God truth. But let's see what this bird nest about. Let's go. Who they done killed?
Hey, oi. Pink 50s in my pocket, but I ain't no pussy. I ain't do shows for a whole year, not even Puffy could book me.
Beats very slow, like right here. I'm already like, dreading listening to it. Now, just real quick recap. I got into Sauce Walka because I also like listening to Pee Wee Longway and shit like that. But man, come on, Sauce. I don't know if you just got that. I don't know if it's just his vibe, but I used to rap the slow beats or rap slower too. But it's the slow beats for me. It might sound good sped up, but let's keep it going.
I was smoking on biscotti when y'all just heard a cookie. The first time my bitch made 50, my whole face got crooked. You spent 40 on the chain, and some little nigga took it. Selling peas about your house, and your whole spot got shooken. You trying to be straight up with these hoes, like these hoes ain't crooked.
The shorts is tight on the skin. But who's the other dude? I don't know.
Had a bitch with LWYT pussy, she still couldn't hook me. Let a bitch read up on my moves, bet she still couldn't book me. Got a old bitch sending me blues, I nicknamed her Tookie. My young bitch bust red scripts by the tools, her nickname so woozy. Make her outdo dance moves if I jam the Uzi. I bang the bird nest, nigga. I'm from the bird nest, nigga. Shit. I bang the bird nest, nigga. Drop a feather where the worms at, nigga.
Hold on, big fella, it's the big fella. Had a ride made back, nigga, big yellow. Threw foes on the boat, I'm a big seller. Pocket swole like a hoe, big swallow. Billy talking to a hoe, you a big teller. I ain't never treat a bitch like a Cinderella. Maybach on glass as a Cinderella. Tears up, boss, nigga, I'm a good fella. And I'm riding in the Maybach with heavy metal. 15 in the cup, that's a kissy other. And your bitch tried to pay me and it never met her. Another bitch wanna fuck me, but
I'm trying to keep up, but it's very hard. But he's rhyming really good. 15 in my cup, that's a kissy.
I never let her. A lot of ink.
Who is this? Who is this? Let me know in the comments because I have no idea.
Got my body, I'm on letter.
I just caught a new body with an old Beretta. Nigga try to play twin, I'm gonna get him. Drop a feather, know what happened to the last nigga.
Right here, now, no D-roll. This right here is a pre-roll.
Pre-roll
Cause his ass.
from the heroes.
Cause they
Zero.
it's smoke shit in paper. Pre-roll. Yeah, it's not a B-roll. Drop a feather, know what happened to the last nigga. Drop a feather, know what happened to the last nigga. Drop a feather, know what happened to the last nigga. Drop a feather, know what happened to the last nigga. Drop a feather, know what happened to the last nigga.
My ears hurt. I gotta turn the volume down.
Nigga blow a hole in your bird tag. Send a hit dry air for the bird net. Little nigga feel a chopper in the blade nicks. We'll do a pussy raw, no say six.
If the nigga make a hoe, he ain't safe yet. Cause the little bitch gave with the address.
Little nigga play a bull, that's your bitch bet. Cause nobody gon' say it like Keith Sweat.
I bang the bird nest, nigga.
On song.
I'm from the bird nest, nigga.
On song.
Shit.
On song.
Shit. I bang the bird nest, nigga.
On song.
Drop a feather where the worms at, nigga.
All right, so I'm gonna need y'all to let me know who that is in the comments and how y'all feel about the song, Sauce Walker and stuff. Let me know, let me know, let me know. This is your boy Soup. Comment section's open. You can also subscribe, get the notification bell. Let's get it. I'll catch you in the next one.